Now let's make our crust for our peanut butter meringue pie. First, put your grated graham cracker crust into the food processor. Then add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of melted butter or margarine. Get that all in there. And then we'll just process that until it is mixed together nicely. All right, let me show you what it looks like. It's a little sticky on the side, just mix that up. And we'll pour that right into our pie plate. And I'll show you how to press that in nice and tight to get a nice crispy crust.